Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. Today we'll be talking about one of the leading projects that helped to develop the Internet of Things, IoTeX. Let's roll! IoTeX platform provides a scalable solution which is powering the Internet of Things. The main idea of the platform is to connect the physical world of devices into one system. IoTeX tends to make it easier for Internet machines and users to connect and communicate with each other. It is building a comfortable environment for developers and users. To get access to all the opportunities provided by the platform, users need to own IOTX. Tokens can be traded or staked. They can also help to vote for delegates in decisions concerning the future of the project. By participating in the life of IoTeX, users can also earn more crypto. Let's dive into the history of the IoTeX project. The Internet of Things became popular in 2009 when the usage of the Internet became widespread and devices that could be managed via the Internet appeared. Since then, the number of IoT devices has increased significantly. IoTeX appeared in 2017. The core of the team has 4 members: Roland Chai, Kevin Guo, Jing Sung, and Xinshin Fan. However, now there are more than 40 team members as the project is growing rapidly. Initially, the team wanted to create an opportunity for smart devices and their owners to interact in a trustful and secure way that didn't allow any interventions. They do believe that users are the only possible owners of their own data, and no one or nothing can take this information and use it without owner's permission. These are the key values of the project that are still being maintained. This century is definitely a time of smart devices. They give us opportunities to communicate with each other faster. And it's safe to say that platforms that can coordinate this communication and help users to protect their data are very much needed. What are the advantages of IoTeX? The IoTeX platform has a number of interesting features that can be seen as its huge advantages and the reason why developers choose it to create their projects. Allows developing websites, dApps, dev tools, tokens, hardware solutions, and etc. The system includes a wide range of devices, even home devices. It gives developers a lot of freedom in coding. It's considered to be one of the most secure blockchains. Allows interoperability between its blockchains. Are there any disadvantages of IoTeX? Mostly, customers are happy with their choice. However, it should be remembered that since the project is being constantly developed, it's normal to face technical issues from time to time. Usually, they're fixed fast. People also should pay attention to coin support. Everybody likes the idea of interoperability. It's very comfortable to be able to go from one blockchain to another. However, IOTX coins are not supported by all the blockchains customers could use. There were precedents with coins forever lost somewhere between chains. To sum up, IoTeX is one of the fastest, most secure, and most scalable blockchain platform on the market that provides solutions for the Internet of Things. We'll definitely keep an eye on this exciting project in the future. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the IoTeX project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.